What's up, guys? All right, we got another question. What are the best tips to get hired on Upwork? So I think that, I always say this, guys, the best tip is to just do what you say you're gonna do and do it well. Because this is the only thing you really need to concentrate on at the end of the day, because it is such a rarity where you could find someone that just takes it away, where you don't have to explain in the finest detail to someone, right? Because that's sometimes difficult, especially if you're just getting started with like hiring a freelancer. The project management side could be very nuanced and difficult to actually articulate what you want to have happen. And I've seen like miscommunications and fights happen over this. So to find someone that can really come into any project that's in their wheelhouse and just be like, I get what you're trying to do. Let me take it and I will handle it and get this thing done. And if I need any other help, I'll figure out how to do it and blah, blah, blah. When you find these people, you just hold on to them. And yeah, that is the best way to stand out, because those are the people that get hired and stay hired and are able to just parlay those reviews into more reviews and stay on top of it. And as you do that, you build on your profile and you just make this into a business. I always talk about you're building your own little corporation within Upwork. You're trying to raise your stock price. You're trying to create dividends for yourself. So you become a bigger, more established company, and these relationships continue to grow, and you're kind of gamifying this in a sense where your stock price is raising like your hourly rate, and you're getting these better and better contracts. And if you do that, it becomes easier to negotiate yourself through some of these, contracts, because you have a foundation of what your business, how your business works, your model in a sense. So I think by doing that, by doing good work, that is the number one way, the number one tip to get hired. So hopefully that helps. Thank you so much for the question.